Hey guys, what's up and welcome to my channel. Hope you guys are having an amazing day. So guys, today I got another S8 video for you guys. Today I'm going to be showing you how to fix camera problem on your S8. So guys, hope you enjoy the video. So guys, the problem you may be facing is whenever you are trying to focus on an object, your camera won't focus. And there's a very easy way to fix this problem. First you have to go to system settings, and after going to system settings you have to go to apps, and then you are going to need to find the camera app, which is right here, and then go to storage and then clear the cache data. Just simply click on it, and after that restart your smartphone. So guys, as you can see, now my smartphone is restarting. So guys, another method you can try is first open the camera app, and after opening the camera app, just shake your smartphone a couple of times, and after shaking it, just tap on the camera lens, a light tap, and just try 2 or 3 more times. Another step you can do just to make sure this problem doesn't occur again, first you have to open the camera app. This time you have to open the camera settings, which is right here, then go down to reset settings, then simply click reset, and now you're all done and this problem shouldn't occur again. Guys, you can try the same method on S6 or S7, even the S6 Edge or S7 Edge, because I was having the same problem with my S6 Edge. It was doing the same, it wasn't focusing on an object. After doing this method on that smartphone, it simply worked. So guys, thanks for watching and thanks for visiting my channel. Make sure to leave a like on the video if you like it, and subscribe if you like my channel, and turn on the notifications.